very good evening. Welcome to BCN News. The annual inflation rate currently stands at 4.46%. This is according to the Niue Consumer Price Index, which measures changes in the prices of goods and services that households consume. Such changes affect the real purchasing power of consumers' income and their welfare. As the prices of different goods and services does not all change at the same rate, a price index can only reflect the average movements. The statistical release for the second quarter of 2019 ending 30th June states the quarterly inflation rate is 0.83%. The largest positive contributor to the consumer price index is meat, particularly mutton and lamb, with 0.49%, while the largest negative contribution was beef with negative 0.12%. Niue is hoping for more cooperation with Indonesia in fisheries and sustainable development. The Jakarta Post reports Indonesia's Foreign Minister Retno LP Marsudi signed joint communiques stating the establishment of diplomatic relations with Niue's Premier Sir Toke Talangi and the Cook Islands Prime Minister Henry Puna on the sidelines of the Pacific Exposition in Auckland last month. Retno noted the trade relations Indonesia has with Niue had already grown to $129.2 million last year from $52.5 million in 2017. Meanwhile, Australian think tank the Lowy Institute's Director for Pacific Islands Program, Jonathan Pryke, told BCN News Indonesia has interests in the Pacific's fisheries. Indonesia's engagement with the Pacific Island countries has been a cause for concern, Pryke says, given the contentious issue of the West Papua human rights abuses. Pryke says it has caused division amongst the Pacific community. The Solomon Islands and Vanuatu are supportive of West Papua's independence, while Papua New Guinea has no stand on the issue, along with Fiji and Australia. And finally, Niue's Rugby 15's team headed off to Papua New Guinea from Brisbane yesterday to participate in the Oceania Rugby Cup. The one-week tournament will have Niue compete against three other countries, PNG, Solomon Islands and Nauru. Niue's team is made up of players from both Niue and abroad, majority from Brisbane and the wider Queensland. The team management also includes Niue-based representative Norman Misimesi. Niue's first match is this coming Friday against Solomon Islands. Their next opponent in round 2 are host Papua New Guinea. They play off on the Tuesday, 27th August. In the third and final round, Niue will play Nauru on the 31st of August. And that's BCN News for tonight. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.